Hi, me again. Today we're going to talk about Excel, and we're going to have a look in particular at the lookup function, and more specifically we're going to look at the Vlookup, which is the vertical lookup. So let's have a look at Excel here, and what I've done is I've just put some numbers down there followed by some days of the week, and this would be the lookup range that I'm going to choose. And what I want to do is I want to find out what day of the week this particular date is. So you see here I've just put in a couple of fields where I've got an option for the date, and then below there I'm going to do a lookup to find out from this table what day of the week that day is. So as with all functions, I start off with equals, and I start typing Vlookup, and then I use the prompt to actually fill in the rest for me. Now the value that I want to look up is whatever value is in that cell above. I then do a comma. The array, and you see how it's now highlighted the next part of the equation that I need to move on to. I select the array like that, and then obviously now I've finished selecting the array, again I put in a comma, and it moves to the next one. Now this is the interesting bit, the column index number. The first column is where it's going to look for that number. This is now asking me for the column in which the answer is. Now because I've only got the two columns there, the lookup is in column 1 and the answer is in column 2. So I just put in a 2 and just close the brackets, and it tells me that the 7th is a Sunday, and if you have a look here, the 7th is a Sunday. And now if I change that number there, it tells me the 21st is also a Sunday, and the 17th is a Wednesday. This can be very useful. That is the Vlookup. There is also an HLOOKUP, which is a horizontal lookup, and a variety of other lookup fields which I'll cover in other videos. I'm the Adobe Guy. I hope that's been useful. Thank you for listening.